Ready for round 2?
Ready for round 2.
Let's just get started. Wait, you can choose which one you want to do first.
So this is a Squirrel Sisters natural energy bar. And it says ×2, so this is 2 inside. It's vegan, gluten-free, no added sugar and raw, and it's raspberry ripple flavoured. And the pack is pretty.
Yeah, it's really cute.
So we'll see.
Oh.
So even inside, it's got 2 squirrels.
Oh,
That's
so cute. Oh my, it's a little one and a big one.
Yeah, it's me and it's you. And then this is one of the, God, I don't know how to do this. Oh well. It's a steak that's raw.
It doesn't really smell that raspberry.
Ready? I got a massive raspberry taste. Did you get a massive raspberry? Eat the whole thing.
I don't like it. It's kind of disappointing. More than average, but for me it's nothing special. You know? It's like super free of everything. Gluten free, vegan, so it's like dairy free, egg free, grain free, source of fiber, no added sugar, raw, and only 87 calories per bar. And only 87 calories per bar.
I liked it.
Yeah, I was indifferent to it. 3, 2, 1, 5.
7.
I liked it, but I wouldn't choose to eat it. Next, pick a Dinnerberry bite bar, and it's with hibiscus super flour, and it's new. Yay! So I feel like this one's also going to be like a very smushy one.
I think a lot of them are going to be smushy.
100% natural, no added sugar.
Raw.
Yeah, and oh look, it looks the same. So just standard. 3, 2, 1. For some reason I prefer this one more. And it reminds me
of slightly stronger flavour.
Yeah. And the packaging is really pretty. Focus. Rating.
3, 2, 1, 6, 7. She's just trying to be taller than me.
Her torso is tiny, so whenever we sit, like exposing you.
No, don't let me see.
She's sitting on a cushion. Oh, so cute.
Some face is really to me to all of YouTube.
You're so short.
But I'm not short. I'm
true.
taller than her.
Wait, how tall are you actually?
I'm 169 centimeters. 1 centimeter below being a model.
It's this that needs to work. Okay, anyway, next bar that we're gonna try, just keeping in
the berry mood.
No, the Aduna.
Atmosphere.
The Aduna mood.
Oh, the Aduna mood.
We're gonna try that banana boost bar, and with baobab superfruit, so lots of vitamin C. I like bananas, but I don't really like banana flavoured things.
I don't really like either.
I feel like
it's a big banana fan.
I feel like it's like strawberry. It's a hit or miss because they're very artificial flavours.
I don't think I'm gonna like this one.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I think I'm biased with the anti-banana thing.
It's not the best thing. Oh wait. It kind of it tastes like dry banana, but it's too chewy, and I really like dry banana, so yeah, it's a bit weird. Again, like I would eat it, but I wouldn't choose it.
I wouldn't eat it.
Sponsored by Gymshark. Just kidding. None of these are sponsored. I mean, feel free to sponsor me, Holland & Barrett, or anybody. Rating 3, 2, 1, 6. Yeah. I thought it was okay. I
just don't like banana.
So the next one we're going to do is your choice. We've got them all on the floor because that's just really sanitary.
Yeah, they're still in the packs though. And the ones that have been opened are on the table. I think I'm going to go with one that hopefully isn't raw. So looking at the Trek Peanut Power Whole Food Energy Bar. It also incidentally has 10 grams of protein.
Wow. And it's one of your 5 a day.
Delicious and filling. Pre and post exercise, on the go, and with a cuppa. How British. Wow. Oh, it's raw.
Oh, I think I was thinking that it was like the flapjack one with chocolate.
Me too. I've been deceived.
Anyway, what I was saying, they always say, or have with a cuppa, but I never want to have a protein bar or like energy bar with a cup of tea. I want digestive biscuits or something. Just, it's the facts.
Biscuits.
Or biscuits.
I'm so sad.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
It's crispy.
Yeah, good. Another texture. It kind of has the aftertaste of the protein cookie to me.
This one does have 10 grams of
but
protein,
nowhere near nowhere near as strong.
This one's right good because it's an energy bar and it has 10 grams of protein.
Yeah, it's okay, but not my fave. Why would you want that with a cup of tea? It just doesn't go. 3, 2, 1, 5,
6.
Oh.
Okay,
next one. I think I'm gonna go with the hazelnut ball.
Okay.
So it's Deliciously Ella. There are 2 balls. It's hazelnut and gluten-free and vegan friend. I haven't tried these ones, but I tried her like almond caramel cups, and they were so good. Come in a little box, and it's really cute. It's got little leaves on it. They look like
balls.
Energy balls of energy, and yeah. Oh, we can have one each.
Yay.
Oh,
Oh,
I found the inside of them.
it's got a middle.
Oh, that's exciting. I mean, I saw on the packet that there was, but I didn't think.
There actually was.
No.
It gets bonus points for excitement.
Yeah, the inside's really good. I think it's just. She dropped my balls. I think the inside is hazelnut butter or something, but it tastes like halva.
Yes, it does. It's good.
So next one. See, I'll let you do it.
Okay. Next is another Deliciously Ella nut butter ball. This one's raspberry and cashew. Yeah, there's 2 inside, and again it's gluten-free and vegan friendly. And I like the packaging. It's not plasticky. It's sort of papery. It's nice.
Yeah. I like Deliciously Ella.
Is she a person?
Yeah. Oh, I like don't know exactly, but I think she like has a blog or something, and yeah. Oh, they're pink. Or is that just a light?
Yeah, because it's raspberry and cashew.
They're such hard balls.
Yeah. The inside is glowing.
Yeah. These ones these are good.
Yeah. Creamy raspberry and nut butter center.
Yeah.
And I keep eating them.
It's a yes from me.
Big yes.
Oh, we're not gonna know which one's which. Oops. Right. 3, 2, 1, 9.
10.
Ooh. I think it could be a 10.
I think this one deserves a 10.
Yeah, because even though it is like the raw nut and like smush outside, it's not smush because it's quite hard. And the nut,
that's nice. It's like actually hard, and it's raspberry all the way through.
Yeah, there's a really strong raspberry taste.
Yeah, and the nut butter is really creamy and soft.
Yeah,
and like gooey on the inside.
Really good.
It's good.
Yeah. Look at us being little food critics.
I'm so full.
We've got 3 left. Which one do you want to choose?
Let's go with the seeds.
Seeds?
Need a break from the raw.
Maybe we should go for pumpkin and sunflower because it won't be so sweet.
Okay.
Good seeds, great taste.
A 9 bar. Good seeds, great taste. Pumpkin and sunflower seed. Is this one? And it's 100% plant protein.
I really like the
it's gluten-free as well.
The packaging as well. It's just I like paper packaging. It just,
yeah, it's like the Ella one.
Yeah, it's just so like cute.
High in fibre and no artificial flavours, colours or preservatives as well.
It is literally pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and sesame seeds.
All held together. But I quite like those ones so they're not sort of...
Yeah.
It just is what it says it is.
Okay. I mean, it's good.
It's just seeds held together by rice syrup.
But I don't...
it's nice.
Yeah, but I don't really like pumpkin or sunflower seeds. Like, I like one of them, but one of them has a dodgy taste for me. But I still like it. Rating? 3, 2, 1, 6.
8.
Yeah, it's very natural.
Yeah, it just is what it says it is.
Yeah, so next we're gonna go with the 9 salted caramel seed bar. So I guess it's literally the same, just with a bit of salted caramel flavouring.
No artificial flavours, colours or preservatives though.
Vegan, gluten-free and wheat-free and high in fibre. Gotta get that fibre.
It's kind of the same as
Seed
the other
bar.
one.
Oh, it smells good. Hold on.
Tastes good.
You know that I actually prefer the other one. I do. I'd give the other one a 7 and this one a 6.5. I don't know.
I really like this one.
Okay. 1, 2, 3,
9.
6. Oh my god, 6.5. No,
I told you I like it.
Okay. Cool. I don't think I can do another squishy one.
We got to.
Do it for the views.
We made it this far. Last one.
Okay.
Last one.
So
and then I might eat some of that mint pulse.
So the last one is Rude Health, the peanut. It contains peanuts, seeds, fruit and deliciousness.
It's gluten-free.
Yeah, gluten-free, no refined sugars and dairy-free. You know what I love? When you're reading ingredients and it, like, English isn't the first one, even though it is on this, I didn't see it. And I can read it in French because little show off.
Oh god. Peanuts.
Yeah, there's nothing left to say. It's like every other one.
I don't like it that much though.
No?
No, I don't like this one.
No matching.
But I don't dress first, so really you just copied.
No.
I think it's because I put a black top on and then I sat down in front of the camera and realised that my hair blends into it, so I look like a floating head. And then
I copied her.
Basically.
It was okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, 6.
5.
Yeah. Nothing more to say. And that concludes our vegan protein bar and energy bar video.
I just did a drink away all
Yeah,
that gooiness
exactly.
and chalky powder.
So thank you so much for watching our vegan taste test. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, again, subscribe, click the notification button, and if you want to see more of my sister, go follow her on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, and if you want her to be in more videos, then comment down below.
I need to put up more of those.
So now we are going to eat the rest of these protein bars, vegan energy ones that we like. You don't have to eat all of them. Bye!
Bye!
See you in my next video. Food coma.
Massive food coma.
Oh my god, my head is huge.
So mine.
Okay.